Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favourite Indian dishes, lamb madras. Firstly, we need to add to a food processor coriander, white onion, garlic, chilli, ginger and a bell pepper. Blitz the ingredients together until it makes a paste. Transfer the paste to a hot pan and add the following spices: 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Cayenne Pepper. Stir all the ingredients together and add tinned tomatoes. Transfer the curry to a slow cooker and then it's time to seal our meat. I have gone for lamb, but you can use beef or chicken. Once the meat is sealed, transfer to the slow cooker. I then like to add more fresh coriander and some fried onions. Stir all the ingredients together and leave on low heat for a few hours or until the meat is cooked. This is my version of an Indian lamb madras. Thank you for watching.